Hi everybody and welcome back. Rog here, aka Gourmet Grandad. I've had rather special request from a very good friend of mine, Janet Wood. Hi Janet, this one's for you. Traditional Welsh cakes. Hope you're going to enjoy this video, along with everybody else of course. Right, here are the ingredients that we're going to use. Not that many really. We've got some mixed spice, we've got 1 egg, we've got baking powder, caster sugar, plain flour, some lard and some unsalted butter. Now I'm going to sift the flour to get some air into it, along with half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of mixed spice. There we go. Firstly in with our butter and our lard. There we go. Then in with the sugar. Give this a mix together. Then in with the egg. Give it another whiz. Then in with our raisins. Then in with our flour. Then just a splash of whole milk just to loosen the whole thing up a bit. Now we need a floured board, like that, and a floured rolling pin, like that. Take some of our dough, a little bit of flour on top, and we can roll this out. Now I can tell you the thickness you need is about the thickness of a little finger. So not really very thick. Then we can take a pastry cutter. I'm going to use one about this size. Make these Welsh cakes quite small, I think. Now you could call this showing off, but this is a proper Welsh cake griddle. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter over the top to stop the Welsh cakes from sticking. You could also use any sort of heavy based pan really for this. Now we cook these for about 5 or 6 minutes on each side until they're nice and golden brown. When you turn them over and they look like this, you consider that side's done. So we can gently turn them all over. So here we have it, the finished Welsh cake. Let's have a little taste. Actually, very nice. You can put a little sprinkling of caster sugar on the top, some butter if you want, jam or some cream or anything. It's like a type of scone really. Very nice. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Any comments, I'd love to read them down below. And I shall see you next time, so bye for now.